Hi there, my name is Mr. Watson. I am the music teacher here at Bellerive Elementary, and welcome to a new school year. I'm beginning my third year here at Bellerive. It's a great place to work, great place to learn, and we're starting kind of new this year, obviously, since we're all home and we're all online and figuring out ways to do this on Zoom. But I've been teaching music for 18 years. It's my 18th year of teaching music. So we're going to figure it all out together, and I know that we're going to have a great year. I just wanted to share a couple of quick points about our music class for this year. If you have any questions about anything that I talk about, you are welcome to email me or call, or of course we have open house, excuse me, we have open house on Wednesday evening, and I will be there for both sessions if you have any questions. I'm going to share my screen here so I can show you a couple of things I want to talk about. And first of all, you're going to see my name and Bellerive Music. I am Aaron Watson, and this is Bellerive, of course. So our second screen here is how to contact me. My email, which is the best way to get a hold of me, is awatson1@parkwayschools.net. We have to check email a lot because we are all teaching online this year, so feel free to email. And if you'd like to call and leave me a voicemail, I'm not at school every day, but you can leave me a voicemail that I can check. The number is area code 314-415-4092. All of our music activities this year will be presented through Schoology, just like they were in the spring. The most important thing is that kids can find that Zoom link, and kids have been doing a great job of being on time and joining us for music at our correct time. But that Zoom link will be under music on your child's Schoology page. It will not change, although we are going to have to add a password later this week just to add an extra layer of security. But I believe the link will stay the same. If it has to change, I will, of course, let you know. But your child will receive a password so that they can join us for music. On our Schoology page, there will also be some recordings that they can access. There will be some activities that they can access. I'll put some song lyrics on there if they need those. There also will be a homework folder. This year in music, we don't have quite as much time because instead of 50-minute classes, we only have 30-minute classes. So at the end of the day, students have a little block of time to complete some homework or assignments. So many days in music, I will have a small assignment for the students to complete. It won't take long, definitely less than 30 minutes. But in that homework folder, if they have music, they can click on that. And if there's a homework assignment for that day, they simply go to the date that we had music, click on it, and they will find that assignment, okay? I'll try to make it really simple. Sometimes I will ask them to write something down. Sometimes I will ask them to just make a comment or an answer. Sometimes I'll just ask them to have something ready for a class discussion the next day. So it'll be different things that they'll be asked to do, but nothing too difficult. And if they have any questions, they can, of course, email me. Also on that Schoology page, there will be a folder for previous lessons. So if your child has to be absent on a particular day, they can go back and access the lesson that they missed. Another thing I wanted to make sure I covered is our curriculum for this year. Music teachers worked really hard to narrow our curriculum. We realized that we don't have the same kind of time. We can't sing together the same way. We can't perform right now the way we would like to. So we tried to narrow our curriculum down to just a few objectives that we felt like we could teach online very well. So just a really focused curriculum for this first quarter. The idea being that when we finish first quarter, no matter where your child is in Parkway, they're in the same place. So that depending on what happens second quarter and beyond, kids are not ahead or behind each other, that everyone is learning the same things. Last week, we covered some digital citizenship, making sure that kids understand how to be successful when they're learning online. And we'll do a little more of that this week, but this week we'll start getting into more of the music objectives. And like I mentioned earlier, they are just 30-minute lessons, so we'll try to cram as much in as we can. We'll try to have a little fun. We'll still sing, but it's just a little different because we have to stay on mute when we're all together. Trying to sing together on Zoom, unfortunately, does not work with the delay, but we can still sing together and have some fun. So make sure you're accessing that Schoology page. Your kids know where to find the Zoom links. They've been doing a great job with that. I really felt like we were off to a great start. last week, and I'm excited for where we go the rest of the way. So again, my name is Aaron Watson. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions, and I hope we have a great school year. Thank you.